everyone, it's the Allycat Castle and Skittles! And on this channel, we talk about makeup and more makeup, yes! And today I'm so excited because we will be doing our holiday 2020 Christmas makeup. So without further ado, let's begin right now! And on this Christmas makeup tutorial, we will be using the LA Girl the Nudist eyeshadow palette as well as the e.l.f. Liquid Metallic Eyeshadow in Aurora! Girl, starting with the Milani eyeshadow primer because it's a crime, not a prime! And now using the medium brown shimmer eyeshadow with a Morphe M441 brush all over the crease, yes! As well as on the outer corner of the eyes. Keep on blending and blending and blending, yes! By the way, this is a bigger crease brush, yes! And now, using the reddish brown eyeshadow with the Morphe M456 smaller crease brush and apply it right on the socket of the eye as well as on the outer corner of the eyes. And then going back to the Morphe M441 big crease brush just to blend it in. And of course, just matching the other side with the same steps. And now, doing our cut crease with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in Light Honey with the Morphe M224 brush. Just cut that crease exactly. And girl, it's time to enhance the outer V with the reddish brown eyeshadow with the Morphe M456 brush. Yes. And girl, it's time to apply the e.l.f. Liquid Metallic Eyeshadow in Aurora with the Morphe M224 brush. Just take your time putting the product, lay it on, and press it in. Lay it on, press it in, lay it on. Then repeat the step, repeat the step. And girl, it's time to clean up the sides with the Clinique's Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion with a Q-tip, yes! And yes, we used the moisturizer to clean it up. And now, defining the sides with the Maybelline's Fit Me Foundation in 235 with a sponge. Look how quick and easy that was! And of course, it's not complete without the Kiss Next Gen Wispy Blowout Lash. Yes! And guess what we will do now? We will be using the MAC Pro Longwear Fluid Line in Black Track to define the lash line and to cover the glue. Yes! That's another trick! And yes, just lay down the brush and let it do the work! And girl, now we're defining the lower lash line with the reddish brown eyeshadow using the Trish McAvoy Vavavoom brush. Exactly! And girl, it's time to smoke up the lower lash line using the Sonia Kashuk smudge brush with the medium brown shimmery shadow. Smoky, smoky, yes! And girl, guess what? It's time to line the inner bottom rim of the eyes with the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Gel Pencil Liner in Deep Onyx. And now, defining the smoke bottom lash line even more with the same eyeliner smudged with the Trish McAvoy Vavavoom brush. Smoke it even more! And now, it's mascara time for the bottom lashes using the Estee Lauder Sumptuous Bold Volume Lifting Mascara in black. And girl, it's blush time using the Milani Rose Powder Blush in Wild Rose using the Sonia Kashuk Contour Brush. And finally, our mask-proof liquid lipstick using the NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment in Star Woman. And here you go, our holiday look. Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, Happy Holidays. Guess who's here? It's Skittles. And there you have it, our holiday Christmas makeup look! Yes! If you enjoyed this, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And also, please don't forget to press the notification bell so you will not miss any future videos, right, Skittles? And please support my channel with my sisters like Angel and Ali, where we highlight individuals making a difference in their communities. Right, Skittles? So again, life is short. Let's just have fun with makeup. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas. We love you.